things only gotten better?
Chris, you're referring to the song "Things Can Only Get Better," which, as I've said many times on record, is a gross misrepresentation of the science. If I had known what I know now in as much depth as I know it now, I would not have allowed the song to come into existence because it's incorrect. Things get worse. It's called the second law of thermodynamics. Absolutely fundamental. One of the great mysteries is why the universe was ordered at the beginning, because things tend to disorder in a closed system or a system like the universe. Then what we know is that things can only become ordered, things can only get better locally. But globally, if things get better locally, things get significantly worse in the surroundings. That's the second law of thermodynamics. And so things going to get better is you can only defend it as a local statement. So it's true that things have got more complicated on the Earth, for example, because 4 billion years ago, the Earth was just a rock. And now it's a place with a human civilization on it. So yes, things have got better locally. So I suppose you could argue that things are going to get better could have been acceptable to a thinking person if it had had appropriate caveats in the verse, chorus, or bridge. But I don't think those caveats are there, and therefore I think it shouldn't really exist. Professor Brian Cox, Horizons, a 21st century space odyssey, live on stage. Using state-of-the-art LED screen technology, theatres and arenas will be filled with images of faraway galaxies, alien worlds, supermassive black holes, and a time before the Big Bang.